Hi guys, welcome to RVC Talk. So this short video is about convergence. Okay, when we talk about any SMAs, right, multiple SMAs and any stock, when we see all those are coming to very close. Okay, in this short video, I talk about 20 SMA, 50 SMA, 100 SMA, 150 SMA, 200 SMA, all these 5 different SMAs on a daily time frame. If it is coming very close within the 2% or the 3% of the stock. Right, so whatever you are seeing on the screen is Amar Raja or Amar Raja Energy and Mobility Limited. You see this. Okay, you can see this on a 200 SMA. So if I put it on like this, you can on 200 SMA, 50 SMA, 150, 20, 100. All these are coming within the 2% of the previous day close. This is actually on a Friday, 24th October. So all these are within the 2% of the close. So what happens? Why do we need to actually look at this? When the price seems to be kind of a converging to for some period of the time, when all the SMAs are coming very close, there is a high probability the price will move either in breakout and move upside or breakout and go downside, right? It can happen anything. I'm not saying that whatever stocks I'm going to talk will be like always go upside, but these are the ones we should be looking at in a good opportunity to see some momentum or movement towards either direction. So I had like 7-8 stocks in the whole based on all the NSE list of stocks. If I look at like 1500 to 1600 stocks, when I do the scan, I do scan using Python programming based on the trading view, close, open, high, low prices. And I see these SMAs are coming to very close. So now let me go through the next one, which is okay. So add these to watch list, see what happens. Also, as a follow-up video, I'm going to actually make one more video what happened on the 7-8 stocks over tomorrow, next week, or like I'll keep a track of this because I'm adding to the watch list, and if there is a possibility of a trade opportunity, then I am going to actually take it. That's why I'm talking about this. Now, first one is an Amar Raja. Second one is in the Berger Paint. You see Berger Paint also is actually the current close is 544 and all these are coming to within the 3%. So I always talk about like 2%, 3% is a close range. Okay, this is within the 3%. Amar Raja is in 2% SMAs. Now the next is GICRE, that's the General Insurance Corporation of India. You see all these are coming to within the 3% of the previous day close. The next is HSCL. HSCL is also coming to 3% in the list. The interesting thing about this is ITC next one. This is in the 3% of the close. And you see this seems to be kind of a taking off this. If a close above this, probably we should give in a good support because the top one is 200 SMA. Take out of this should give in a good support for a long term. Okay. The next LIC Housing Finance. So this is also within the 3. Actually, this is in the 2% from the previous day close. So the next in the list is NTPC. NTPC is within the 2% of the previous day close and 340, and we should see actually this is above 200 SMA. You can see this has actually given a support of all these SMAs and we expect some good upside if it sustains this. Okay, the last in the list is actually the Pidilite. So this one is within the 2% of the close and the current price seems to be 1507 and taking off this should give some good upside. You can look at this, it tested this level, this is a cup, and then again like may form a double top if at all it reverses, but a breakout of this should give some good upside. So let me put it in clearly show here. You can see these are the 8 stocks: Amar Raja, Berger Paint, General Insurance, HSCL, ITC, LIC Housing Finance, NTPC and Pidilite. Okay, so I'm going to add this to watch list and keep a track and make in one more follow-up video along with the new stocks which I'm going to find on a day-to-day. Okay, so hope this we'll actually see if this really works out because everyone talk about convergence and I also take trades based on convergence. Whether this really proves our convergence thought process or like study is in line to how the stock behaves or not. Hope this will help you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.